Did you know you could contour your nose with eyeliner? It's so—
Wait, because this sounds ridiculous and genius at the same time. Because black is the coolest of the cool tones. Contour should look like a natural shadow. So black as a contour base makes sense. And in case eyeliner is too pigmented, I'm using a natural black brow frame pencil. But the bronzer is the key. Add the bronzer over the black. It's supposed to blend out to the perfect contour shade that matches your skin tone. I need a little bit more black. Blend it. Okay. That is impressive and perfect. This hack is approved.